Today's Hot Wheels 2021 International L-Case unboxing is brought to you. Have you figured out the pattern yet? Lately it's been US cases come from Mattel. International cases come from A&J Toys. Ken is the owner. There's the website. You can buy these cases. International, US, you name it. They are available. This is the L case. Now, I have heard M cases are showing up. That means I'm going to have an M case from Mattel very shortly. I think it's probably going to be arriving while I'm in Albuquerque for the Matchbox convention. I will do that unboxing when I get it. You may have noticed there's been a little bit of delay. I'm not entirely sure, but it seems like there was a bit of a gap between the L and the M cases. That means that they're barely showing now. They should have probably showed a few weeks ago, but you know what? We'll catch up. L case now, M case showing up. I'll do the unboxings whenever I get the cases. So we did the L case unboxing a while ago, right? The US case. Now it is time to do the international case. We just do them, like I said, when we get them. So let's open them up. Let's have a look. I will have to kind of remind myself when these different ones arrived, you know, or like what is from what case and so on and so forth. We'll figure it out. And we start with the doozy, maybe the most desired casting of this case. It is the LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. Whew. That's a lot. Don't ask me to say it again. It's about as tiring as when I do that one car that starts with a bunch of R's, which I can't say because then I'll be saying another long one. Really, really cool Nissan GTR casting in the Liberty Walk. Deco looks really, really cool. Next one is a treasure hunt, right? The Ollie Rocket with the white wheels, and I think we've already seen that one. And then the Camaro, I believe, is a repeat from whenever. There is that fantastic 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Would have been a super treasure hunt, or could have been a super treasure hunt in the previous case. It's just the regular one now. Can you imagine, even if this wasn't a super, how excited people would be to see that one? It's such a cool car. HW 450F, and there's the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Now, interesting about this one, it's not considered a new model. I don't know, because it starts as an ID. The International don't have that, you know, new for 21 thing there, but we didn't see it on the US card either. So, don't know the total story here, but that is... I mean, I'm going to put it in the new model thing. Well, for the Lamley Awards, we'll figure that out. All right. 2 Jet Z in red, Loopster, and then the Disney Steamboat. I think this was new to that last case, but I can't remember. McLaren Speed Tail in silver. Mercury Cougar. This would be the one if you found it with real riders. That would be the super treasure hunt. This one clearly is not. It's just the regular one. It's very cool. And there's the Aero Pod. It is warm out, but it's beautiful. LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. Man, all right, hopefully there's no more of those. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, also not a new model, but fantastic nonetheless, because this is based on the premium that was in Team Transport and the diorama set, also IHC Deco, so it's like that. It's like the one that was in Team Transport, which is very, very cool. And then there's the Corvette C8R recolor of that one. Third version, if you consider the Target. Volkswagen Beetle in white. Nissan GTR R35 in silver. Love that one with the black wheels. And then there's the Jeep Gladiator in green. 67 Chevelle in blue. Another Corvette and another McLaren Speedtail. Subaru WRX STI, the Rasian Express recolor of that one. Super, super cool. There's 2 of those. Still going with the Muscle and Blown, another Camaro, and the Ford GT40. We're just plowing through it. Nissan GTR again. Chevy Silverado, which is kind of a weird casting. And the Geo Terra. Sorry, I should do it this way so you guys can see them. No glare. Love the Kia Stinger. And there it is in black. Geo Terra again in the Water Bomber, which is a very small plane, considering the Kia Stinger is bigger than that. That's, I understand that not everything's going to be in scale with Hot Wheels, right? They're all relative. It's got to be what fits in the blister, but that's one of the reasons I don't collect the planes or the motorcycles, because the motorcycles are as big as the airplanes, which are big as the cars, sometimes even smaller. Indy 500 Oval, Locomotorin, and the Ram 1500 Rebel. Obviously you can't get too scientific with Matchbox and Hot Wheels, but because they're a different kind. It's not the scale of like Tomic Limited Vintage or Mini GT or all the rest of those, but still. All right. Oop. Another Chevelle, another Muscle and Blown, and there's the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300 in a rescue livery. These right here. Koenigsegg Jesko, Honda CRX in black, looking cool, and the Plymouth Roadrunner. That's a really neat one. I've noticed a lot of you have taken pictures of that one. I think people are just into it because it's such a cool deco. There's another one of them Disney cars. Here's the recolor of the Ford GT40 Mark V. 4. Get your Roman numerals right, John, and there's the Beetle. Water Bomber again, a cute little plane. Mod Rod and the Jet Z, 2 Jet Z. Ford GT40, Bentley Continental GT3, and there's a true gem of this one too. I'd say the Liberty Walk and this guy. I mean, put the Mercedes in there and the Taycan, but this Toyota Land Cruiser pickup is just super cool. Only one per case in the last one. It appears that might be the case here too. Camaro ZL1 in blue. There's the fantastic Honda N600 and another Koenigsegg Jesko. Car d'Asada, Formula E Gen 2 car. This is the Tag Heuer edition, and there's the Dodge Charger stock car. Honda and 2 of the Speed Driver. Noticing the Mario Kart car is getting gobbled up. Locomotorin and the Car d'Asada again. Twinning and winning. Mod Rod. Love that Mod Rod in the flames. There's that Batmobile that we've seen a lot of. And to finish off, Impavado, Dodge Charger Drift, Rapid Responder, and then a favorite truck for many, the 67 C10, Subaru WRX STI, and the Batmobile. There you go. We blew through it. Highlights: Liberty Walk, Porsche, Land Cruiser, Mercedes-Benz, the Gullwing. Super Treasure Hunt's okay. I like the casting a lot. Not real keen on the deco, even though we don't have it. But I would have been excited to find it. And then getting that ID Taycan, Porsche Taycan or whatever, would be cool as well. But that is it. That's your international case. U.S. cases are elsewhere. We'll be going all Matchbox for the next few days. Starting tomorrow, I might have an unboxing. I'll be doing live streams from Instagram. And then, as scheduled, you guys go down, find the video, the live stream that is scheduled for, give or take, 7 o'clock, 7:15 Mountain Standard Time on Saturday night. The stream will begin. If it doesn't start right then, just be patient. I will start the stream up as soon as the presentation starts. And you know how these things can go. They sometimes will go late. But I promise you, I will be on, and I will be live, and I will be showing the 2022 preview. But when I come back, we'll probably be doing more unboxings, and I got a showcase of that new quarter-mile set with the Bugatti Veyron. It's finally hitting as well. So I got that from Mattel. We'll showcase that. Thanks, everybody. Bye.